Good morning. Today I am going to present a new video on pituitary gland or master gland. Pituitary gland called master gland because it controls all functions of all endocrine gland. Pituitary gland or hypophysis is a small endocrine gland with a diameter of 1 centimeter and weight about 5 gram. Pituitary gland or hypophysis is a small endocrine gland with a diameter of 1 centimeter and weight about 5 gram. Situation: it is situated in a depression called sella turcica present in the sphenoid bone at the base of the skull. So pituitary gland situated in a depression called sella turcica in sphenoid bone. It connected with the hypothalamus by the pituitary stalk of hypophyseal stalk. Division of pituitary gland: it is divided into two parts, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. In this diagram, we see parts of pituitary gland and arterial supply and venous drainage. So in this diagram, neurosecretory cells, supraoptic nucleus, paraventricular nucleus, optic chiasma, median eminence, infundibular stem, arterial blood supply, pars nervosa of neurohypophysis, pars distalis of adenohypophysis, arterial supply, pars tuberalis, hypophyseal portal vein. These are the structure associated or related with the pituitary gland. Parts of pituitary gland: it consists of two parts, adenohypophysis or anterior lobe and neurohypophysis or posterior lobe. So adenohypophysis or posterior lobe, it is further subdivided into three parts: pars anterior or distalis, pars intermedia, pars tuberalis. So pituitary gland divided into two parts, anterior lobe and posterior lobe, or adenohypophysis or neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis or anterior lobe further divided into three parts: pars anterior or distalis, pars intermedia, pars tuberalis. Again, neurohypophysis or posterior lobe divided into three parts: median eminence, infundibular stem, and pars nervosa. This is the diagram of histology of anterior pituitary. And in this slide, we see anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, a relation of pituitary gland. Anteriorly, anterior intercavernous sinus, posteriorly, posterior intercavernous sinus, superiorly, optic chiasma, anterior communicating artery, third ventricle. Inferiorly, sphenoidal air sinus, laterally, cavernous sinus with structures passing through it, internal carotid artery with sympathetic plexus, abducent, oculomotor, trochlear, ophthalmic and maxillary nerves, Arterial supply, it is supplied by two sets of arteries, superior hypophyseal artery and inferior hypophyseal artery. Superior hypophyseal arteries, it supplies the median eminence, pituitary stalk and the adenohypophysis via hypophyseal portal vessels. Inferior hypophyseal arteries, it supplies the infundibular process and infundibular stalk. Venous drainage, blood is drained by the short veins into the cavernous sinus from adenohypophysis and via the hypothalamus, via the hypophyseal portal system from neurohypophysis. So this is the relation blood supply, venous drainage of the pituitary gland. Hormones secreted by pituitary gland, growth hormone or somatotrophic hormone GH is secreted by somatotrophic, which is the acidophilic cells of anterior pituitary. Growth hormone is responsible for the general growth of the body. Thyroid stimulating hormone or thyrotropic hormone, TSH is necessary for the growth and secretory activity of the gland. Adenocorticotropic hormone ACTH is necessary for the structural integrity and the secretory activity of adrenal cortex. Follicle stimulating hormone FSH in female, normal cyclic growth of the ovarian follicle, increase estrogen secretion. In male, stimulates spermatogenesis and seminiferous tubule development. These all hormones secreted by anterior pituitary. In typing process, a mistake is present in this slide, posterior pituitary at place of anterior pituitary. Luteinizing hormone LH in female stimulates ovulation, stimulates estrogen production by theca interns, initiates and maintains. Corpus luteum in male stimulates leading cells to produce estrogen. Prolactin hormone is necessary for the final preparation of the mammary gland. Hormone secreted by posterior pituitary. ADH act on distal tubule and collecting ducts of kidney to decrease water excretion and hence produce concentrated urine. Oxytocin causes ejection of milk from the mammary gland. This is the diagram which relates function of the pituitary gland, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary, growth hormone, prolactin, luteinizing hormone, follicular stimulating hormone, adenocorticotropic hormone and TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. 6 hormones secreted by anterior pituitary and 2 hormones secreted by posterior pituitary, that is ADH and oxytocin. This slide shows situation of pituitary gland and pineal gland. Possible congenital anomalies: ectopic posterior pituitary, pharyngeal hypophysis, agenesis, hypogenesis of pituitary gland, duplication of pituitary gland, congenital tumor of the gland. This is the CT scan of ectopic posterior pituitary. Duplication of pituitary gland. Development fewer than 40 cases since 1880. A rare craniofacial developmental anomaly occurring during blastogenesis. So we see in this slide definition, situation, weight, measurement, relation, blood supply, venous drainage, function, complication of pituitary gland. This will help in revision and theory examination as well as oral and practical examination of a student of different branch of medical sciences, as well as revision for general practitioner. Thank you watching for this video. Like, share and subscribe.